Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the argumentative thesis statement. There's so much going on here. You can see that I have different colors highlighted with these different elements, right? With clearly identified topic. Your stance has to be clearly identified. We also have to alert the reader to the essay's purpose with argumentative language or have an argumentative tone. And also we have to check for the rule of three. So we're going to use these colors here as a guide to go through and check things out. This first one, A, these are a good thing and should be encouraged because they help keep teens away from trouble, reduce the juvenile crime rate, and prevent teen drinking and drug use. Oh, this is bad. Why is this bad? I'm going to go in here and hit this with red. What are these? We don't know. The topic is not clearly identified. This is significant. You can be talking about it in your introduction, and then you get down to your thesis, and you don't. That's a mistake. You still want to clearly, identify your topic in your thesis statement. So that's gone. B, because teen curfews, okay, teen curfews, that's our topic there, help keep teens away from trouble, reduce the juvenile crime rate, and prevent teen drinking and drug use. What did we just hear there? Keep teens away from trouble, reduce the juvenile crime rate, and prevent teen drinking and drug use. What did we just hear there? We just had the rule of three. They should be encouraged and adopted by more towns. Here we go. Now, believe it or not, when you say something as simple as should be, right, guess what we're doing? We're arguing. Simple language like that. And then encouraged and adopted. What is that? Then we've got the green. That's our stance. That lets the reader know that we're in favor. So you'll notice that there's different ways to get this done. So B looks like it's the one, but let's check C. Although teen curfews help keep teens away from trouble, reduce the juvenile crime rate, and prevent teen drinking and drug use, that sounds almost like B. But what happened? They do not always work. So I'm going to flag that in red. Why? The writer contradicted him or herself, right? Don't confuse refuting the opposition or making a rebuttal with contradicting yourself. You never want to say anything good about the other side when you're arguing. So B would be the correct response. Let's take a look at number 2. Marijuana helps with some health problems, generates tax revenue, and creates jobs. Well, we have to flag this one in red. Why? Does anybody see what's going on? There's no argumentative language. That's just a statement of fact. Does marijuana help with health problems? Yes. If it's legalized, does it generate tax revenue and create jobs? Yes, these are statements of fact. There's no argumentative language in here. So let's see what happens in B. While it may be controversial to some, there we go with the idea of controversy, right? We'll put that in blue, right? Argumentative tone. Marijuana should be legalized. There's our topic because it would help with some health problems, create tax revenue, and create jobs. Let's check C just to make sure. While it may be controversial to some, Marijuana should be legalized because it would help with some health problems, generate tax revenue, excuse me, and create jobs, even though it is abused by some. Oh, the same thing as before happened here. The writer contradicted him or herself. Again, you don't want to give the person on the other side of the argument, your opponent, any help, any credit in the argument. Don't do that. So B, again, was the correct response. Let's look at 3A. Because no-kill animal shelters are expensive, overcrowded, and fail to address the problem they were created to solve, they should not be supported. Okay, no-kill animal shelters. What's that? Sounds like our topic, right? Expensive, overcrowded, and fail to address the problem they were created to solve. That sounds like our rule of three, right? Argumentative language, even simple words like that, yeah. And then what do we have here? We have our position. A looks like the right one, but let's check it. B, no-kill animal shelters are expensive, overcrowded, and fail to address the problem they were created to solve. Right? What do we have there? We have the same thing going on again. There's no argumentative language. So be sure to work in some signal words so the reader knows that you're arguing. Now, what's going on in this one, y'all? Oh, no. There should be a way to solve the problem of so many stray dogs and cats in our area. Yeah, there should be. That's missing so many different things, right? You're not even posing an argument here. Oh, that one's really bad. Don't do like C. Oh. Animal testing may be controversial, but many people benefit from it every day. We have some stuff going on there, right? We have our topic, animal testing, right? Controversy, but what? Yeah, we don't have our discussion points. Let's check again. Animal testing, though controversial, should continue as it plays an important role in the development of new medicines and a wide variety of consumer goods. Let's measure this against C. Animal testing, though controversial, should continue. Okay, we have going on as it plays an important role in the development of new medicines, a wide variety of consumer goods, and is more cost-effective than other testing methods. What happened here? Yeah, we only had 2 discussion topics, not 3. So let's highlight. That's our topic, controversy, right? Should continue. That's our position. And then what do we see? Then we have all 3 of those discussion topics clearly stated. So in C, there we go. We had all the elements. Number 6, social media sites such as Facebook give false information, take advantage of feelings, and are full of criminals. Well, first off here, there's no argumentative language, plus, what do we have here? We have a logical fallacy, which is what? Full of criminals. Are some shady people on social media? Yeah. Is social media full of criminals? No, that's a logical fallacy. So that one gets kicked. Let's look at B. Social media sites such as Facebook, so you can see here we have our topic again, often give false information, take advantage of feelings, and are sometimes insecure. Ooh, I heard that too, y'all. As a result, they should not be used. Ooh, okay. We do some highlighting, and then we'll check C before we go ahead and cast our vote. All right. So then should. And then here's our position. Not. That may be the correct one. Let's check out C. Social media sites, such as Facebook, often give false information, take advantage of feelings, and are sometimes insecure. As a result, they should not be used. Sounds like the same with what happened here. That they are so popular and easy to use, many do so anyways. What happened there? Oh, you contradicted yourself. If you're saying bad things, right, you don't want to flip at the very end and then give that credit. Don't want to do that. Oh. So a quick review. Number 6, the correct answer was B. Number 5, the correct answer, C. 3A, 2B, and 1B. Those are the correct answers. So be sure, spend some time crafting your argumentative thesis statement. And as always, if you ever want me to take a look at something as you're working on it and drafting it out, copy paste it into an email from your student email account, send it to me that way, or you can always drop me an IM. Until we see each other again, be well, do good work, and keep in touch.